Hi, I'm going to show you how to check the tuning on your cigar box guitar using Harmonics. I'm tuned to G today, G, D, and G, but this will work with any 1-5-1 tuning, E, B, E, etc. The idea is, if you've forgotten your tuner or you don't have your phone app or you're just in between songs, or sometimes there's people who, like Johnny Cash, they like to tune their instrument and have the band tuned to their lowest voice note or whatever. This is a quick way to get your cigar box in tune. I'm going to use natural harmonics, which are a naturally occurring phenomenon. And they occur when you divide the string, either into halves, thirds, or quarters. So we're going to divide them in half first at the 12th fret. And what you do is you just, with the very tip of your finger, just touch it right over top of the fret mark, assuming your bridge is in the right position. And your string will ring like that. And you can move your finger away and it keeps ringing. And that's one octave above whatever this is tuned to. In our case, G. Now, right off the bat, you know that this first string is supposed to be G. So you can check that string right there, assuming that you've got this string close to whatever you want it to be. The next natural occurring harmonic that's easy to do is on the 7th fret, and that's here. And of course you can do that on each string, by the way. Same with the 12th. 12th to be one octave up from wherever you're tuned. And this one here will be a 5th up. So that we know we're in 1-5-1 tuning. We know that this is a G, therefore this is a D, right? G, A, B, C, D, 5 fingers, in case you get confused like I do. So that means this note should be a D. Well, they sound pretty similar, but this one's much higher, and that's because it's a D or a 5th, but it's an octave up. But we know that we can play an octave higher on the middle string by going to the 12th fret. And you can get them so that they're really, really tight, no wavering. You don't want them to waver or anything. And that'll put your instrument right in tune. Just for the record, the next easy to do naturally occurring harmonic is on the 5th fret. And that's 2 octaves up from whatever your string is. So that's all you need to know to use natural harmonics to check the tuning of your cigar box guitar. Have a great day. Bye.